Please be welcome to this brief tutorial on how to edit your products within your account. To edit a product, just place the mouse over the product you would like to edit, and then these all options will show up. Then please click on Edit. In this page, we will be able to edit pretty much everything in the product. The main image, add gallery image. Here we can edit the short description, below it, the description, the long description, the inventory, the SEO, the shipping and tax, everything just as we add a new product. If we would like to establish that a variation is no longer available, then we can go back to here where it will be showing our variations. For this example, we only have one variation. So we just click here. Here we can even establish a different image from the parent product, a different price, different dimensions and weight for shipping, and a variation description. If we would like to establish a variation not able to purchase, we will simply click on stock status and click on out of stock. Then we go to save variations, and then we'll see on the product page that if we select the variation, it will show out of stock and it won't let us continue with the purchase.